In the Backyard, sponsored by Custom Retaining Walls and Landscaping.
Welcome to Custom Retaining Walls and In the Backyard. My name's Clint, and I'll be talking about the installation of a modular block retaining wall today. Yeah, the most important part of the retaining wall is your base that it's sitting on and the drainage rock behind the wall. So we want to make sure our base is 2 feet wide and 6 inches deep for a decorative wall, 2 feet high or less. It should be deeper if you're building a structural wall, so 1 foot deep if it's a structural wall. That gives you 6 inches front, 6 inches back, and that keeps you from tipping. And once you have your base course level, that's the hardest part of your wall. After that, it's just a matter of grabbing blocks and picking them up, setting them on there. Drainage rock in the cores and on behind the wall. Any moisture that gets behind your wall will drain right through your wall. If you have a really bad application, a water application, you'd want to add a drain tile. If you're building a structural wall, we'll have GeoGrid reinforcement that goes in your wall, and these are all things that we can help you with. Every wall is different, so if you bring in your plans or have us come out, we can help you design it. You'll need a few tools like a hand packer. If you're doing a small garden wall, this will work fine. If you're doing a structural wall, you'll want to use a plate packer to get your rock packed in deep enough. Once we get our grid in place, we'll put the grid on there. You'll put a roll right over the top of that, and that's what's going to hold your wall in place. After you get all that done, you finish your wall, you just keep building and then packing and building and packing. Then you can add your cap blocks, put your cap block on, glue it on, finish with your dirt, and you're completed. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you next week in the backyard.